I am turning my backyard into a thriving food forest. Guess what, y'all? I am changing things around again. So, a food forest mimics nature. So instead of planting crops separately, different layers of plants grow together and support each other. And I just want to achieve that. You know that you know that you know that you know what you want when you want it. And that's exactly what is happening right now. You can see that things are just all over the place right now. Like in that space right there, I just have everything, just down. Guys, I'm getting tomatoes. Yeah. But anyways, let me back up a bit. So you notice that this right here, that used to be over there, this is where it's at now. And you would have seen the banana trees just now. Let me back up again. At this side right here, right? Some of them. And the new ones that are also planted. So I have a little idea for this space here. So anyways, so the beds cannot move. Well, they can move, but I'm not going to put myself through all of that. So I am literally working around the beds right now. And of course, it won't happen overnight. Building a food forest takes time, observation, and patience. Because then I can tell, what to put where and where to put what. Even if I didn't know, like I literally can just try and see. And that's the beauty about planting in containers. Because it allows you flexibility. So all of these, you can see that, you notice over this side, the mulberry tree is right here. And yeah, so here so it's no longer the way it used to be. Of course, this is not the final results. I hope I can give you the final result in this video, but I cannot guarantee that. But I will show you the progress. Because after fixing up and getting things how I want them, for now, I'm going to have to fine tune stuff a bit, right? Like pruning back this base and all of that, and to let things just look a lot more uniform and stuff. So you notice that the trees around there are no longer. So the grapevine got an upgrade. So it is in this container now. So the male papaya that was in here, I move it and I put this in there. So it's like that right here. So right now, but I'm going to figure out how to set it and make a trellis. So, and I have those containers around the back to move up a bit. So you can see right here is kind of jam-packed because I have things that are still waiting to move into places I don't know yet. So you can see all my plants right here. They're literally just waiting on me. Yeah, I'm gonna come around here. Well, this space is just packed up right now. Here remains the same. Yes, I think I just want to, show you what I am doing. Before, I was actually going to do everything and then I show you, and then I said, no, let me just show you the process. So everything is a mess right now. The garden wants to sweep and all of that. But yeah, the garden does get messy at times. And this is one time. I just like this little feeling right here. And this was inspired by my son. Because he was like, Mommy, I like the two trees right here. And you just walk under. Yeah. I wish it was a case where I could just say, all right, guys, where do you think I should put this or put that? Anyways, I am going to stop right here, and then I'll come back with our updates, the progress that I make. All right. And I hope I do make some good progress. My son is helping me. So I should be able to move a little faster. So guys, I've actually gotten somewhere. Yeah. Ugh, I am so tired. So not everything is in place as yet, but for the most part, my plants are crying out for me to water them right now. You can see how wilted my pak choy look over there. Yeah, for the most part, most things are complete as it relates to where I'm going to put what. So these trees are back right here. I didn't get to sort out the grapevine. I may gonna have to do the grapevine with you. Well, I'm not sure. I'm not gonna make any promise I probably can't keep. But yeah, this is the garden for now. I can't hold up the camera too much because my neighbor's privacy means a lot to me. So I'm trying my best to show you as much as possible. Yeah, so this is how things are looking around this side. The containers. I'm trying to give you as much view as possible. Of course, you're going to see much of it in my videos because, yeah, I'm going to be all over the garden from time to time. This is all. Here is I have to leave here like this because of the rabbit coop I have in mind. So around here, so still remain the same. I'm trying to give you a view from here. Hold on, let me come this side. Hold on. These things are in the way right here. So you're not going to see. Well, let me come around a bit. Let me see if I can show you the view from here. Oh, still not better. But you get the picture. You get the picture that, ow, dragon fruit got me a while ago. You got the picture that things have changed and I just need to fine tune right now. Yeah, that's all I need to do right now. Just fine tune things a bit. Boy, I wish I could do the garden justice, but I don't want to be up in my neighbor's space. Sis. Yeah. So I have to just show you what I can, however I can. Alright, so tell me what you all think. Even though I'm not done, but I have an idea how things will be looking. This space is evolving and I can't wait to see what it will turn out to be eventually.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey.
Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good, guys.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.